A very good morning, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We'll continue to look at what's happening in the nation without fear, without favor. And at this point in time, Welshman Ncube has been defeated once again by Tshabangu in the High Court of Zimbabwe. Remember, there is a matter which was pending before the High Court where Welshman and they've been fighting. Remember, in the past few weeks, Tshabangu was fired from the Triple C, and he has been fighting that since his expulsion. So, according to the Herald, the Triple C Interim Secretary General Tshabangu won his case against Welshman Ncube-led faction of the opposition. And the High Court, presided over by Judge President Mary Dube, last week ruled in favor of Tshabangu, and they declared that the committee's actions against him were unlawful as well as void. And Senator Tshabangu, who was expelled from the party following a disciplinary hearing on February 12th, 2025, was about to be recalled from parliament, but since he had appealed in court, they were waiting for the court order so that they can take action against him. However, he continues to be a senator, and he continues to be the interim secretary general of the Triple C. The facts are that they said that the disciplinary committee's members had no authority to act as their terms of office had expired on May 27, 2024, in accordance with the Triple C Constitution. Justice Dube found that the terms of office for the office bearers and main organs elected at the Gweru Congress in May 2019 had expired. And in court, she said that the term of office of the first to fourth respondents and main organs elected on 26 May 2019 at the Gweru Congress serve for its parliamentary caucus and local government caucus, as set out in Article 6 of its constitution, expired on 27 May 2024, and they hold office unlawfully. So that is something which is very, very important to note, that it not only touches the said committee, it also touches on the leadership of the Triple C itself. We are talking of Triple C Ncube right here. What it means is, as Welshman Ncube and all other rotating presidents, they are illegally in charge of the Triple C. So the person who then remains entitled to power is Tshabangu. So that is something which is very, very important. And also, the court addressed the procedural issues raised by the respondents, including the claim that Senator Tshabangu had delayed in filing his application. And they're saying that Senator Tshabangu acted promptly after learning of the disciplinary ruling on February 19, 2025, filing his application by February 24th. So they say that the applicant did act when the need to act arose and within a reasonable time after the conduct impunged occurred, and did not delay in seeking recourse. And also, the court ruled on the authority of Professor Ncube, who had deposed the opposing affidavit on behalf of the Triple C. And Justice Dube found that Professor Ncube lacked proper authorization, as no valid resolution gave him the authority to represent the party. The resolution does not speak to the authority of the deponent to the opposing affidavit to depose it, she said. So the same things which befell Nelson Chamisa, they've actually gone to Welshman Ncube himself. Remember, they created Tshabangu with the sole aim to humiliate, embarrass, and destroy President Advocate Nelson Chamisa, but they are finding themselves in the same shoes, and it is now happening to them. So where are they going to run to? So what it means is Welshman Ncube, they've been declared powerless. They no longer have power. They no longer control anything within the Triple C. And the major question is, what happens now that it has been confirmed that they are now in charge of the party illegally? Are they going to call for a Congress? And if they are going to call for a Congress, when are they going to do it? Who has the power now? So Tshabangu continues to call the shots, and this is the result of dubious processes. We told them that whatever which you have created an animal which you are going to find it difficult to deal with, and it has been confirmed by the recent court judgment. It has proven that indeed these people, they will continue to suffer in the hands of Sengezo Tshabangu. So being there in power illegally, it does not help. What we need as a nation is we need a real solution. We don't need to continue to fight these court battles where it will be cat and mouse everywhere. And I respect President Nelson Chamisa for distancing himself from this madness. A lot of people believe but look at the humiliation and the embarrassment. You could see the reason why President Nelson Chamisa had to leave. Because even if we are to look at this whole thing, Triple C was not formed in 2019 or before. Triple C was a party which was formed towards the judge saying she erred in her ruling because she's recognizing a political party which had never existed before 2019. Something which we have asked to say, does this judiciary system actually understand what needs to happen? Or they simply dance according to the tune of their political captures or their political masters? So Mahogany says, Mnangagwa's puppetry, Tshabangu days are coming. Yes, I agree with you. The days for Tshabangu are very, very close. But the major question which we have and which we need to continue to ask is, for how long is this going to continue? Why is it that these judges, they are turning a blind eye to important matters? And what will be the consequence of these judges? So this is Team Zimbabwe. I love you all, and thank you very much, everybody, for coming. Let us meet in other episodes, in other broadcasts, as we continue to look at what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor.